Let's begin by telling you that the governors of Ebonyi, Anambra and Adamawa state have withdrawn from the suit by 16 governors of the Federation seeking to scrap the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, the Nigerian Financial Intelligence Unit, and other anti-graft agencies in the country. This was as a 7-man panel of justices of the Supreme Court entertaining the suit reserved its judgment for a date to be communicated in due time. News Centre's Emmanuel Bagudu reports.
The suit was to be entertained by the Supreme Court. However, just before the judgment, the states of Ebonyi, Adamawa and Anambra requested to be withdrawn from the suit, while Nasarawa State informed the court that its application is different from that of the other states.
But our own case is challenging the constitutionality of the directive issued by the NFIU, limiting cash withdrawal for states, knowing fully well that in Nasarawa State we have a social investment policy geared towards enhancing the living standard of the people at the grassroots, where His Excellency the Governor Engineer Abolition, Sule, out of his passion for lifting people out of poverty, initiated a program through which indigent people at the grassroots level are being shared some stipends running into millions of naira, and is a talk of the state.
The Attorney General of the state says that the cash withdrawal limit by the NFIU is making the implementation of its social investment programs difficult.
Now, by the time this policy comes on board to limit the cash withdrawal by the state, it will frustrate this program, and it by extension affects the living standard of the people at the grassroots. So this is why we are in court, not to challenge the constitutionality of the establishment of the EFCC, ICPC, NFIU. These are institutions that are in place to actually fight corruption that is bedeviling the development of this country. So Nasarawa State is still on its feet, seeking for the interpretation of the Supreme Court on the constitutionality or otherwise of that policy. This is why we are here.
All eyes are now on the fate of the 13 governors left in the suit, and of course, whether the status of the anti-corruption agencies in Nigeria will change. In Abuja for News Central, I am Emmanuel Bagudu.